See, first of all, where does the silk originated, or from where do we get to know that silk type of fiber is also available? It is available. It is that we get to know from China. See, for long years, they kept this secret that there is a fiber like silk, and that is very attractive and fascinating. They kept it secret, but when the travelers go to visit the China, they just reveal that this kind of fibers are also available from silkworm. Attempts were made to make a silk artificially towards the end of the 19th century. Scientists were successful in obtaining fibers having the properties similar to that of silk. Such a fiber was obtained by chemical treatment of wood pulp. This fiber was called rayon or artificial silk. Although rayon is obtained from the natural source, wood pulp, yet it is a man-made fiber. It is cheaper than silk and can be woven like a silk fiber. See, silk is a very costly fiber, but still we are the human being. Why do we left ourselves behind? So we find the fiber that is resemble to the silk. That means it look like a silk, natural silk fiber, and that is rayon. So scientists, after lots of experiment, finally in the end of the 19th century, they have found the fiber that is resemble, means look alike of a silk, and that is rayon. It is also being dyed in a wide variety of colors. Rayon is mixed with the cotton to make a bed sheets or mixed with the wool to make a carpet. See, rayon also can be dyed in a various different colors, and when it gets mixed with the cotton, we can make it the bed sheet, and when we make it mixed with the wool, we can make carpets. Now let's read about the another synthetic fiber, that is nylon. This is also very useful fiber. How? Let's read and understand. Nylon is another man-made fiber. In 1931, it was made without using any natural raw materials. It was prepared from coal, water and air. It was the first fully synthetic fiber. Nylon fiber was strong, elastic and light. See, in 1931 it is prepared. It is very cheap fiber. Cannot say that very cheap fiber, but it is cheap fiber comparing to the natural fiber. It is made from the coal, water and air. It is very strong fiber, elastic that you can stretch, and light means light in a weight. It is also lustrous means fat, and easy to wash. See, this is really benefit that See, to make utensils, films. Films is not like you are just making a films. That is a roll that you see, the black colored roll. It is also called film. Polyester is actually made up of the repeating unit of chemical called ester. Ester are the chemicals which gives fruits that smell. Fabric are sold by the name like a polycot, polywood, terrycot, etc. As the name suggests, these are made by mixing two types of fibers. Polycot is a mixture of polyester and cotton. Polywood is the mixture of polyester and wool. See, what is polyester? It is made from the chemical that is called ester, and poly means many. So after using the unit of ester in many times, we can make polyester. And there are another names like a polywood. If it gets mixed with the wood, then it becomes polywood. We wear sweaters and use shorts and blanket in winter. Many of these are actually made from natural wool. Though their appearance resemble wool, these are prepared from another types of synthetic fiber called acrylic. See, wool is very costly. You cannot means everybody cannot purchase it because it is very costly. But the resemble, see, again the question comes that if we need to buy the things in a variety. See, if you buy a wool sweater which is made from wool, it is very costly, like 1000 to 1200 costly. So you buy it after 2 to 3 years for one time. But when you buy a sweater that is made of acrylic, you can buy it every year. See, it is just cheap like 200 and 250. So you can buy 5 to 6 compared to the wool. The wool obtained from natural sources is quite expensive, whereas clothes made from acrylic are relatively cheap. They are available in variety of colors. Synthetic fibers are more durable and affordable, which makes them more popular than natural fibers. And the another benefit to buy a artificial fiber, it is that it is more durable. See, if you wear a sweater which is made of pure wool, then when you wash it for 2 to 3 times, what happens? It started reducing its quality. So you cannot wear it for the 2 or more than 2 to 3 years. You have already performed an activity of burning natural and synthetic fibers. What did you observe? When you burn synthetic fibers, you find that their behavior is different from that of the natural fibers. You must have noticed that synthetic fibers melt on heating. This actually a disadvantages of synthetic fibers. But there is also disadvantages of synthetic fibers. See, natural fibers cannot burn easily, whereas the synthetic fibers burn easily. Suppose that you are working and there is a fire around you, like you are working in a laboratory or your mother is working in the kitchen. The synthetic fiber can catch the fire easily and it just stick to your body and you may also burn. This is actually a disadvantages of synthetic fiber. If the clothes catch fire, it can be disastrous. The fabric melts and stick to your body of the person wearing it. We should therefore not wear synthetic clothes while working in the kitchen or in laboratory. See, all the synthetic fibers are prepared by the number of processes using raw material of petroleum origin called petrochemicals. See, when some fibers we get from petroleum origin. Yes, when the petroleum gets origin, we get a resha, that is fibers, and we made some synthetic fiber from that. It is called petrochemicals. Here the 3.2 is over, but let us have a recap. So from this point we have learned that rayon is an artificial silk fiber obtained by chemical treatment of wood pulp used to make a bed sheet and carpet. Nylon is made in